Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. In today's video, we'll be comparing two powerful graphics card accessories that can enhance your gaming experience. We have the ASUS ROG Herculx graphics card anti-sag holder bracket going head-to-head against the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 OC edition. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive right into it. First up, let's talk about the price. The ASUS ROG Herculx graphics card anti-sag holder bracket is priced at $39, while the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 OC edition comes in at $309. It's important to consider your budget when choosing between these two products. Moving on to design and compatibility. The ASUS ROG Herculx graphics card anti-sag holder bracket features a stand design that is compatible with a variety of chassis and doesn't occupy any PCIe slots. It offers a support height of 72 to 128 millimeters, giving you a strong and adaptable design. The adjustable wheel and release button makes setup and removal toolless and easy. Plus, it even includes a spirit level for simplified setup. Additionally, the embedded 3D ARGB element is compatible with Zinc, allowing you to customize your gaming rig's lighting. On the other hand, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 OC edition boasts an Axial-tech fan design with a smaller fan hub, enabling longer blades and increased downward air pressure. Its 2.5 slot design maximizes compatibility and cooling efficiency, making it a great choice for superior performance even in small chassis. Now let's talk about performance. While the ASUS ROG Herculx graphics card anti-sag holder bracket doesn't directly impact performance, it plays a crucial role in supporting your graphics card and preventing sag, ensuring optimal performance in the long run. In contrast, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 OC edition comes equipped with NVIDIA Ada Lovelace streaming multiprocessors, offering up to 2x performance and power efficiency. Its 4th-generation Tensor cores provide up to 4x performance with DLSS 3, making rendering more efficient. Additionally, the 3rd-generation RT cores deliver up to 2x ray tracing performance, enhancing your gaming visuals. Based on online reviews, users have praised the ASUS ROG Herculx graphics card anti-sag holder bracket for its versatility, affordable price, and strong build quality. On the other hand, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 OC edition has received positive feedback for its premium design, efficient cooling, and powerful performance. And that wraps up our comparison between the ASUS ROG Herculx graphics card anti-sag holder bracket and the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 OC edition. Both products have their unique features and benefits, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative comparisons. Let us know in the comments which product you would choose and why. Stay tuned for more episodes of Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. See you next time.